Hello, I'm Cyprian, an engineer at Midas IT. Midas IT distributes engineering softwares in more than 100 countries, with 5 branches and more than 27 partners. Today we are going to talk about Midas users in Africa, and more precisely, in Nigeria. Midas was introduced in Nigeria in 2012 and has become already a leading software in construction industry. Some of the well-known projects are already using Midas solution, such the new 2.8-kilometer long suspension bridge built on the Bonny River. Midas is well recognized for software's easiness and all-in-one interface, also for its willingness to provide any technical support and resources to help engineers to achieve their goals. Today, we invited 12 engineers from Nigeria, from 7 different companies, to participate in a special training workshop in Midas. Let's listen what they say about Midas products.
What made you choose Midas softwares?
I am looking for a software that will be easier than the existing ones we have to understand and to apply.
I've used several other software. When I saw Midas, it was fantastic. I said I must know how to use the software.
Some of the softwares we have some limitations, and I feel that Midas can overcome all those limitations.
Midas Engineering donated 6 software to 6 universities in the 6 geopolitical zones that we have in Nigeria through the assistance of Nigerian Society of Engineers. In the university, we are interested in using Midas for research purposes, and the Midas FEA has been of tremendous assistance in the university.
Midas has become one of the leading software in the world from all the work that have been done with Midas, and everybody wants to associate with the winner.
What do you like most about the software?
The best feature of Midas software is that they put into consideration so many factors that will determine the functionality of the structure.
Midas is quite easy to use, first because the software is friendly, secondly the report generation of the software is quite interesting.
I think the software is very interactive and it's all encompassing. It has a lot of modules that other software don't have.
Midas is quite useful for design analysis of various infrastructure, talking about foundation, talking about bridges, talking about multi-story buildings. These are things that will make a nation to be one of the developing nations in the world, and I believe Midas will be very useful in this regard.
So, how do you think the Midas software programs will help engineers?
Nigeria is a developing country. We have so many structures going on, which I think with the coming of Midas, the engineers can learn faster, easier, and probably I would say cheaper way of designing stuff.
Would make our work better and faster. That way our production will be better. Of course, I'm going to help us.
So that there are a lot of infrastructure development coming up, and which Midas will come handy in use rather than going through the long-term process.
Midas will be very useful for infrastructure development in Nigeria, and I believe in the next 5 to 10 years, Midas will make a very great headway into Nigeria.
In Nigeria, we like new things, we like good things, and we always want to expand the frontier of our knowledge. And Midas being at the cutting edge of technology, you will see it being embraced by many Nigerian engineers in the very near future.